Hello, this is Sagar from Marudar Bulletin, and we are here in the Bikaner, where Mahajan Field Firing Range, where the American and Indian forces are doing the war exercises. Where what is the purpose of this war exercises, and how it will be going, and how it will be do by the Indian and American forces. We will talk with the Indian American forces senior leader. We will ask you the sir, what is the purpose of this war exercises and how it will be help to the Indian and American forces?
Yes, sir. So the purpose of the exercise in a broad sense is to develop and enhance the interoperability and shared capabilities of the American and Indian armies. We are here to exchange knowledge, to share our experiences, and to develop closer relationships. This is the 16th year that we've conducted Exercise Yud Avias, and it is an honor to be here again to continue strengthening that partnership. We look forward to learning many things from our Indian partners and growing stronger as a result.
And how it will help to improve our forces to Indian and American forces, how it will help to improve the forces
Mhm.
exercise and relationship between the both forces.
Overall, it will improve our capabilities together by becoming more familiar with one another's tactics and equipment, vehicles, and developing a shared understanding of how we conduct operations so that we can work together even more effectively than before. And that's always the goal of every exercise like this. In this case, it's a counterterrorism focus, so we'll be focusing on a lot of small unit elite tactics like clearing and conducting searches of buildings and ensuring that a population is safe from criminals and terrorists. It's a very important task and a very important responsibility for both our armies.
So what kind of more weapons coming from the America that
Mhm.
we will use in this war exercises and do this war exercise between the American and Indian forces?
Right, so we brought with us many of our traditional weapon systems. Beginning with our vehicles, we have the Stryker armored vehicle, which is an infantry carrier, and it does a wonderful job of moving our troops around the battlefield quickly and quietly so that we can engage and defeat the enemy wherever we find them. At the same time, we're bringing many of our weapons, which we can share with the Indians about how to operate those weapons, and then how we can operate Indian weapons as well. It's all about sharing that knowledge and that experience between the two largest democracies in the world, and that for us is very important.
So do you think it should be done on time to time that will
Mhm.
increase both relations, both forces the relationship?
Exactly. I want to make sure I understood your question. You're asking if it will increase our overall
Relationship.
partnership and relationship.
Yeah.
100%. This is a very unique opportunity for us to come here and develop, basically, get to know our Indian partners even better than we do now. At the same time, they'll learn a lot more about our tactics, but it's not so much about the tactics and the training and the drills. It's about the relationships and the friendships that we build during this exercise. That's what you see here today with the high tea and with so many of the conversations happening. It's not just about the tactics, it's about the friendships.
Okay, and last question, is how many days it will be? How many days this exercises, and what you think about this?
It's a 14-day exercise in total, and it is, by the way, the 16th iteration of this, the 16th year that we've done this. So while it's only 2 weeks this year, we will have the opportunity to learn from each other once again next year. And this is really just the beginning of a much larger effort to continue to strengthen our relationships. And that's something that we in America look very forward to, this opportunity to strengthen partnerships with the world's largest democracy. And we're thankful for that
And
opportunity.
last question is
Yes, sir.
one more question
Mhm.
actually. What do you overall think about the India?
India
How are you
is
feeling about the India?
India is, well, we are so humbled and grateful for this invitation to train here with the Indian Army. We are consistently impressed and humbled by their professionalism and their discipline and their great skill and capacities. And we only hope that we can develop our relationships with them closer as a result.
Thank you so
Of
much for
course.
being with us, and thank you so much. This is in American forces leader that said this is a very good opportunity to in India to take the participation in the war exercises, and we will do and we will connect time to time in the next couple of years. And it is the very healthy exercise, war exercise, that will be done on time to time. Video journalist Abhijit Sagar Chaudhary from Bikaner.